In the era of health-conscious eating, finding a cooking appliance that not only delivers mouth-watering flavors but also reduces fat intake is like discovering a hidden treasure. Say goodbye to greasy indulgences and welcome the Ninja Air Fryer into your kitchen. This sleek and versatile appliance offers an array of functions that will transform the way you cook. From crispy fries to succulent roasts, the air fryer does it all. Join us as we explore the features and benefits that make this kitchen gadget a must-have for every food enthusiast. Less fat, more flavor. Are you tired of feeling guilty every time you indulge in fried foods? With the Ninja Air Fryer, you can savor your favorite crispy dishes with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Through innovative technology, this air fryer circulates hot air around your food, creating a golden and crispy exterior without the excess grease. Versatile cooking at your fingertips. Step into a world of culinary possibilities with the Ninja Air Fryer's 4-in-1 versatility. Whether you're craving a batch of perfectly air-fried French fries, a tender roast, a quick reheated meal, or even homemade dehydrated snacks, this appliance has you covered. With just a touch of a button, you can effortlessly switch between these cooking programs and impress your family and friends with your culinary prowess. The perfect fit for your family. Cooking for the whole family has never been easier. The air fryer boasts a generous 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate, allowing you to cook up to 2 pounds of French fries in a single batch. Bid farewell to long hours spent in the kitchen, as this air fryer ensures quick and efficient cooking for those busy weeknight dinners. Dehydrate and discover. Get creative in the kitchen with the dehydrate function of the Ninja Air Fryer. By combining low fan speed and low temperature, you can transform your favorite fruits and vegetables into delightful, chip-like dehydrated snacks. Take control of your ingredients, experiment with flavors, and enjoy wholesome homemade treats with ease. Effortless cleaning and convenience. Nobody enjoys tedious cleanup after cooking a delicious meal. The air fryer is designed with your convenience in mind. Its dishwasher-safe parts, including the basket and crisper plate, make cleaning a breeze. Simply wipe the machine's exterior, and you're ready for your next culinary adventure. What's in the box? Unboxing the Ninja Air Fryer is like unwrapping a world of possibilities. Inside, you'll find the Shark Air Fryer itself, a 4-quart non-stick basket, a crisper plate, and a recipe booklet with 20 tantalizing recipes. Embark on a culinary journey, experiment with new flavors, and enjoy restaurant-quality meals from the comfort of your own home. Conclusion. With its impressive features, the Ninja Air Fryer has undoubtedly earned its place as a must-have kitchen appliance. Say goodbye to the guilt of traditional frying and embrace a healthier way of cooking without compromising on taste. From its wide temperature range to its easy-to-clean design, this air fryer offers convenience, versatility, and exceptional performance. Upgrade your culinary game and bring the Ninja Air Fryer into your kitchen today. Your taste buds and your health will thank you.